All right, so we're back. So I got some thick cut bacon. We got it cooking on high, which you can't see because somebody's got the camera pointing in the wrong direction. But there's the bacon down here in the pan. So we're gonna crispify it, and then we're gonna break it up, and it's gonna get mixed in with our manicotti stuffing, which is gonna be part ricotta cheese, part cottage cheese, with some seasoning and bacon. So as we finish this up, I'm gonna brown up some hamburger in the bacon juice, and then we're gonna pre-cook our noodles. So we're just getting the bacon to crisp up, and we'll let it sit off to the side and dry while we're doing all our other stuff, because we don't want mushy bacon. Some of it's ready to come off now. So I got a plate. We got a paper towel on there. To absorb
What do you want to
all
cook,
the bacon
babe?
juice. I'm cooking it.
Cooking what?
Cooking manicotti. We're having manicotti. So there's one. We want this nice and crispy.
You burn.
That one's crispy. Look at that. Perfect.
Can I try?
Sure.
Sure. Oh, you love me, huh?
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. So once this is done, babe, can you give me some of the
He's a master
hamburger?
chef.
Can you give me the hamburger?
You master chef on
Yeah, I need
What
the
do you want?
hamburger out of the refrigerator. So you're going to be able to get a taste of this in a restaurant when we open it. Is that the almost empty one? There was two in there. One I took some out last night. Was it smaller?
This one?
That's the one. So now we're gonna take a little hamburger. We're gonna cook it right in there with that bacon grease. It's gonna give us.
You can slow
It's gonna
down.
give it some flavor.
Yeah, boy. Oh.
The burger's almost brown now. Not much longer to go. Somebody likes the bacon.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Oh, this is pretty much all
It's
cooked.
10 minutes.
Everything's going to be pre-cooked, so you pretty much just have to pre-cook everything, and then you're going to put it into the oven on like 350 degrees just to warm it up.
Okay, 7
There.
minutes.
Now our burger's ready. I'm going to drain it, and I'll be right back. Boiling water. We're going to water to boil. Okay, guys, we're back. I got some water boiling in a pot here. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to the water. This will help the noodles so they don't stick together when we boil them. So we'll bring this up to temperature. We're going to put a little bit of salt in there with it. And then we'll boil the noodle in the olive oil water mixture for about 8 minutes or so to make them tender. And then we'll get our stuffing ready and stuff our noodles with all this great tasting flavor stuff here. Ingredients are whole milk ricotta cheese. I've got 2 containers. Low fat cottage cheese. Then we have Golbani, whole milk, low moisture shredded mozzarella. That'll get mixed in with it. And we have a pasta sauce that will go over the top, and then some mozzarella over the top of that in the oven. And for seasoning, we're going to use rosemary and some oregano. And now that's Italian.
That's the Filipino food.
New Filipino food.
Okay,
It's
Ameripino.
Ameripino food.
Okay. Hi, Ameripino food.
Who said you have to go out to a restaurant to enjoy good food?
Mm-hmm. Okay. If you say so.
Oh. And we're draining the bacon juice out of the hamburger right now. So this is going to sit to let everything drain out so that it's not all wet and going to make our mixture soggy. That's the manicotti noodle. They're pretty much extruded in a big tube. So we take our mixture of the ricotta cheese, the cottage cheese, some seasonings, and we mix it all together, and then we stuff it on the inside. And then we lay it in a pan, and I'll show you in a little bit how to do that. And then cook it. It's boiling. I'm going to mix our oil up. That way we put our noodles in, and they won't be sticking together or sticking to each other. So they have to cook for 9 minutes. And here's the second batch. And one day I will show you how to make manicotti noodles.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
we'll open the restaurant in the Philippines like that.
Mm.
Okay, Filipino that not eat like that.
Filipinos gonna learn. Funny things while you're cooking. We're waiting for noodles to boil. Boil.
How many minutes? 9?
9 minutes. 8 minutes now. I'm going to relax because I've worked my butt off all day long. So I'm going to take a little chill and wait for the noodles to finish.
Okay. Alarm.
Okay, guys. Now we're back. We're going to take the manicotti out so they can dry out. And you want to be careful at this stage because you don't want them to rip. So the water's kind of murky. It's hard to see them. Let these dry up. And we'll add the rest. Alright guys, so now we're adding ricotta cheese. We're making our mixture. If I can get the thing open. Take the plastic off the ricotta. And we're going to scoop it all out. And mind you, we're making 48 shells, so we're going to... Well, this will get it out quicker. Our spatula. Ricotta's in there. So you can put this away. Now we're going to put in some of our cottage cheese. This is... Ricotta by itself is very rich and flavorful, and we kind of want to tone it down just a little bit. So we add cottage cheese, and this is something that you can do to how much ever you want in flavor and stuff. And usually I add about a half a can. Leaves.
What is that?
It's oregano. This is dry oregano. So this is going to give us some Italian seasoning. And then a little bit of rosemary. That's all flavor. Oh, you can see we'll add a little bit of mozzarella. to make the filling nice and chewy. This is gonna give it some body. An oversized handful, see? That much. And that's going right in the mixture. So now we'll mix that all up. Now we're ready to start stuffing. So we'll take our spatula and mix everything all up. Stuff our manicotti. Man, it tastes so good already. Thick filling. So I'm going to start out with this, and we'll probably have to make more. Our bacon, make it nice and small.
Did you wash your hand yesterday?
Yes, I did wash my hand yesterday. So this is why you want to cook it so that's very hard. A big gallon size freezer bag. And we're going to put our filling all in there.
Why you put at the back?
So I can squeeze it inside. It's got to go inside the noodle. I'm going to use a spoon.
So...
Okay, so now it's in the bag. Everything away from the corner.
Use this.
And I'm going to cut the corner. So that now we can stuff. But we need to get the bottom of the pan, because we don't want our noodle to stick. Doesn't have to be much. Remember, we're only going to put this in the oven just to heat up. And you guys can use any sauce you want. If you want to use a white sauce is fine. Or if you want to use a spaghetti sauce, it's all up to your flavor. Okay. So, bowl out too big. See? So you're stuffing the noodle.
Come on, kid.
We fill that. And then see, we're halfway. So we're going to fill the other side. Manicotti, manicotti, manicotti.
It's the corned beef. What's that? Ground beef?
Ground beef. Cooked with bacon. Fat. Bacon on the top. And we don't have a whole lot of bacon. Somebody ate bacon. I'm missing. Who could that be? My asawa? Did my asawa?
Buang ka. Buang ba nako?
Says I'm buang. She ate the bacon. So we're going to have one with bacon and one without. Oy vey, what now? Not good, people.
I am your cameraman.
Yeah, the cameraman.
It's tired.
She can't wait to eat.
Does it look yummy? So I can't wait to
Well,
eat.
the bacon and this. Alright?
Okay.
So that's done. So, the next thing we do is
Okay,
we're gonna sprinkle right in the middle of them. We'll do this one too. Right in the middle. Look at that. Oh, yummy. And then
all of that
I'm gonna
yummy
dry
for
my
you.
hands off. Now, more mozzarella on the top. So it's not only in the filling, it's going to be on the top, and we're going to have it all nice and melty right over the top of these. Look at that. Oh, lordy. That is going to be some good eating. Look at that. I'm going to do some mousse on this. There we go. And then in the oven for 15-20 minutes, just enough to warm it up. Okay, so we'll see you back then. Here we go. In the oven. Set it on the top. This one down below. Set them offset. Yeah, that one will probably cook first. All set. Okay, so now we'll turn the timer on, go to 20 minutes. And then we'll be back. Whoa.
It's not even 25 minutes.
Not even, like 13 minutes.
Okay.
All right, everybody. They just came out. They were actually 15 minutes, and they're looking perfect. Now it's
Look
time
yummy.
to eat.
It's time to eat. Let's eat now.
Time to eat. All right. Oh, you go. I don't care. All this gooey goodness.
Mine just one. If I need more, I will add more.
Oh, you will.
Oh my god. That's yours, babe?
That's yours.
I said one.
That's fine, babe. You'll be good.
Akan unjuk ko na nagdakan. That's enough. Thank you.
Okay.
And yours? 5. All of that. There you go. Wow, it's look yummy, right? What you call that name? What the
This is
name?
manicotti.
What this mean on name?
Manicotti.
Mercado?
Manicotti.
Man and catty.
Manicotti.
Okay.
So,
Okay, so let's eat, guys.
so bon appetit.